What's up, YouTube? So I've been asked to review my fog lights, and this is a custom built bumper, and I needed a means of getting some fog lights, and I researched it for a long while, and that reason is twofold. Number one, I want to make sure I got a good product that was going to do a good job and act like a fog light should act and last a while, and so these get really good ratings. And I have not seen them in the dark yet, just got them installed today, and so we will wait till dark. I'll do a part 2 on this video, and we will get them adjusted and let you see how they work. But let me get you a close-up of them. So the number one reason, or one of the reasons, I wanted to make sure and get something good, so it would have good light output and it would make a light pattern as a fog light would make. And where I live, there's some times when you get in some very intense fog, and I want to make sure, if I was going to go the trouble of doing it, of having something that would, do the job. And so these are supposed to do it. We will find out in part number 2. But the second reason that I got them, and I don't know if I'll be able to show you or not, I'm hoping I can get it to focus. I don't know if we're going to or not. My apologies. Okay, there you go. I don't know if you can see that or not, but these are DOT SAE approved fog lights. They aren't cheap. I got these off of Amazon, and I believe at the time they were nearly $100 for the set, but it is a good quality light. And as far as the looks of it and the wiring and the installation kit, very good hardware. And so if they perform correctly, I will definitely endorse these as a good, solid, well-built light, and also SAE DOT approved written on the lenses there. So I didn't want to get into a situation to where I'm not thinking, you're probably not going to ever get stopped. I mean, unless you just have a ridiculous light bar that's glaring on everybody. You probably could get by with just a cheap set of fog lights, But I wanted something that if I did get stopped, if there's any question, wouldn't have to worry about a ticket or anything like that. So it is DOT SAE approved, and everything I've seen as far as installing them and the build quality, all that's good. So it comes with all the wiring harness. It comes with a relay, and then it also comes with a switch like that right there. And so I did pull it inside the shop and turn the lights out and in the shop and just turn these on and kind of roughly adjust them with my headlights, and pretty impressed. So we'll wait till dark, and we'll get you a video of what they look like on the road, and get you I don't have the name of these handy at the moment, but I'll look it up in part number 2. They did come off of Amazon, I can tell you that. So I will get you the name in part number 2 and get you a video of how they work and what they look like on the road. Thanks, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.